categories, two categories in noun we have. One is countable nouns. The next one is uncountable nouns. So obviously the kinds that we studied, the types that we studied, 8 kinds of noun that we studied, they are categorized into two categories. For example, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, first of all, what are countable nouns? Very easy. You're not supposed to cram. You're not supposed to copy. Just you have to understand. If you want to learn the grammar, obviously you have to grab the meaning of the noun. If you grab the meaning of the noun, then it will be very easy for you. You will never forget. If you cram that one, if you copy that one, okay, then obviously it will remain for some time. Then after sometimes, okay, you will forget that one. So you have to understand now countable nouns. Countable nouns, it means the nouns which we can count them. Very easy, yes? The nouns which we can count them, they are called countable nouns. The nouns which we can count, very simple, we call them countable nouns. For example, apple. Now see, apple, you know what's apple. Okay, so apple, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples. Even 10 apples, 100 apples, we can count them. Okay, so we call them countable nouns. Like for example, table is there. Table can be 1, table can be 2, table can be 100, we can count them. Okay, like chair is there. For example, orange is there, trees, man, woman. They're all the nouns of which we can count them, okay? And counted nouns can be plural also. Okay, there are many apples. We can make plural of the countable nouns. There are many apples in the basket, I should say. Or for example, table. The tables are broken. See, as we can add with them. The tables are broken. So these are called countable nouns. Countable nouns can be made plural form also. The next one is uncountable. Opposite to the countable. Opposite. Okay. Uncountable nouns. The nouns which we cannot count. The nouns which we cannot count, we call them uncountable nouns. For example, water. Now see, water that we drink when we get thirsty. Right now I'm thirsty, for example. Okay, I'm teaching. Okay, I'm teaching too much now. I'm so thirsty. Okay, so now water is a uncountable noun. We cannot count the water. Okay, our milk is there. Milk and water. Okay, the color is different, but this one is giving a bit more energy rather than water. Okay. So now milk is also uncountable noun. We cannot count them. Or for example, money. Now money we cannot count. The coin we can count. The currency we can count. Okay, but money we cannot count. Money is uncountable noun. And hair of the head. Okay, it is also an uncountable noun. We cannot count them. Okay. Now rice is there. Rice cannot count. Sugar is there. Okay, these are the uncountable nouns. So there are so many other uncountable nouns. These are the common uncountable nouns that the examples have given over here in order to clarify for you people that what are countable nouns, what are uncountable nouns. So I hope you have understood that what are countable nouns and what are uncountable nouns.